My name is Jonna Jinton, and for the European Year of Cultural Heritage, I was challenged by Google Arts and Culture to capture the sounds that represents my country. So, I went on a journey to find the sounds of my heritage. Did you know that over 50% of the Swedish surface is forest? And the forest has always been and still are an essential resource for our country. This is the sound of one of the oldest instruments in Sweden. For hundreds of years, our ancestors have been dancing to the tones of Nyckelharpa. If you listen carefully, you might still hear the echoes of the ancient Swedish herding call, kulning. Even back in the medieval age, kulning has been used by women to call home the cows and the goats from the forest in the evenings, and as a communication between the women on the farms, and also to scare away the bears and the wolves. Because of its very high-pitched sound, the tones can travel over very far distances. These sounds are all a little part of our Swedish heritage, and this is my contribution to the sound of Sweden.